Hi guys, today we're doing another tutorial for curly and thick hair. So we're going to do the signature look. So you start off by grabbing your favorite #1 hairpin. First we'll show you the quick version. And now a little slower so you can watch along. So you start off by grabbing 2 sections of hair on each side of your face. You grab the sections and pull them together like you would in a normal half up, half down look. Then when you grab the right amount of hair, it's very important to twist the hair like so. Then you grab your favorite #1 hairpin, put it in the opposite direction of where the hair is coming from, and secure it very tightly. Once you've secured it, your look is done and it'll last all day. Ta-da!